If you've been following along, you know I'm currently in Egypt, and today I just arrived at Stella Makadi Beach Resort. This place is honestly a little slice of paradise. I'll be showing you around the resort, sharing what I've been up to, and of course some of the best spots to relax and eat. If you haven't seen part 1 of my Egypt series, make sure to check that out. But for now, let's jump right into part 2. Welcome to Stella Makadi. As soon as you walk in, the room feels light, clean and spacious. I stayed in a standard room with 2 single beds, which is perfect if you are traveling with a friend or a sibling. The beds were super comfy and soft, white linings and good pillows, and honestly, after a long travel day, I knocked out like a baby. The room also has a flat screen TV, a small desk and a vanity, air conditioning, a mini fridge stocked with bottled water daily, and a wardrobe with a full-length mirror. The bathroom is super clean and comes with a walk-in shower, basic toiletries, fresh towels replaced daily. I loved how tidy the housekeeping staff kept everything. There's a large sliding glass door that lets in so much natural light, and it opens up to a private balcony with views of either the pool, garden or the beach depending on your room. Mine overlooked the pool and it was gorgeous, especially at sunsets. Good morning guys. So it's next day. I didn't do much yesterday because we arrived late, so yeah. So I just finished brushing my teeth. We are going downstairs for breakfast, so I'll probably let you know when I get there, or take 1 or 2 videos and then come back. Yeah, so see you. The beach here at Stella Makadi is honestly one of the best I've seen. Soft golden sand, turquoise water and so peaceful. The beach is just a short walk from the rooms. Lounge chairs and umbrellas are available and there's plenty of space to relax. The water is shallow, super clear and warm, perfect for swimming. I spent hours just relaxing under the sun and listening to the waves. Okay, now whilst I do my basic makeup, let's talk about food, because Stella Makadi does not play when it comes to feeding you. Every day starts with a huge breakfast buffet, freshly made omelettes, pancakes, croissants and local breads, fresh yogurts and cereals. For lunch and dinner, the buffet is packed with options: grilled meat like kofta, chicken and beef, seafood dishes, pasta made fresh in front of you, salad, rice, potatoes and all kinds of vegetable stews, plus a whole table just for desserts, thin cakes, puddings and mini pastries. One of my favorite parts was the beach snack bar, which served fresh wraps, crispy fries and cool drinks like lemonade and mocktails. I'm going to be seeing more of my nephew and nieces in the next vlog. I'll say my stay at Stella Makadi has been super relaxing and full of good food, sunshine and comfy vibes. The room with 2 beds was perfect for shared trip, and the food, let's just say I was never hungry. Next vlog will be moving to another hotel. Subscribe, like, comment and share if you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next one.